sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun.
Hi and welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, hi and welcome to my channel. Today's video I will have a grocery haul and I will have a meal prep, but right now it is the day before I will go grocery shopping and I'm going to start by taking out everything out of the fridge and getting this fridge all cleaned up because this is really necessary today. So let's go.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow.
So you may have recognized that I took 2 days off. So yeah, normally I upload 2 videos a week, but I actually was absolutely not able to get this done because we had so much to do and it was just too much with all of the Easter preparations, and I had like a few appointments I had to show up, like doctor's appointments and other things. And we also have like all the wedding planning because our wedding is so close. I will do a wedding video pretty soon. So this is my plan actually. We'll see how it ends, but it is my plan to do a wedding video super soon. And then I think I will share our date. Maybe not. I still debate about that, but it is super soon. So yeah, we have a lot to do for that, and we also will have our honeymoon right after our wedding, and we will actually be gone for 4 weeks, nearly 4 weeks, so it will be a long honeymoon. But yeah, we're super excited, but it is a lot to do and a lot to plan. So yeah, I just decided, okay, I won't give myself this much stress and just take 1 week off, and then I can come back and be motivated and yeah, just able to get it done again. For the grocery haul, I bought those vegan meatballs, then some frozen like pretzel sticks, call them, 20 eggs because of Easter, so this is all for Easter. Some high protein, having some Greek yogurt, some regular yogurt, some fresh yeast, sour cream, one of those cream cheese rolls. It's also for Easter brunch, as well as this cheddar. Then I got some feta cheese, some butter, some of those little cheeses. These are all for like the Easter brunch. I like to make a charcuterie board with them. Some more yogurt stuff, some vegan lunch meat, and some Gouda cheese. Then I got some low-fat milk, whole-fat milk, and oat milk. 2 things of juices, like with different kind of fruits, for the brunch. Then some heavy whipping cream, some tomato paste, coconut milk, 2 things of jam, some Nutella, tahini, coconut oil, some agave syrup, chickpeas, they only had those small cans, and kidney beans, also only the small ones available, some ground almonds, some of those biscuits. I need them for a recipe. I want to make a no-bake strawberry cake for Easter. And I got some brioche burger buns, some bagels, whole wheat bagels, some oats, and some flour. Some of this porridge. I don't think that is called that way. I will insert the right name because I don't know it. Again, I was so sure that I will look it up before I do this grocery haul, but I forgot about it. 2 cucumbers. Okay, I don't know what this is called. I will Google it and insert the name of it because I really don't know. But you can put it on like some buttery bread and it's really good. 2 bell peppers, some cherry tomatoes, 3 little sweet potatoes, some bananas, salad. Then I got, some mandarin oranges, some pears, grapes, 3 avocados, and then I got this small zucchini and this giant zucchini. Oh my goodness. And I also got some blueberries and strawberries, and that's it for today's haul.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time.
If you're new to this channel, I want to take a second to introduce myself to you. My name is Rebecca and I'm a 23 years old stay-at-home mom of a 15 months old baby girl. She's 15 months already. Time flies by. And yeah, I'm married to Patrick. So yeah, a little bit confusing maybe because I talked about our wedding in the beginning of the video. But yeah, we are officially married, but we were not able to have a big celebration and a big party with all of our family and friends because of the pandemic, as so many of us. So yeah, we actually have a postponed wedding party that is coming up soon. With a honeymoon, because obviously we were not able to have a honeymoon as well because of Corona. So yeah, the big party will be this year. And yeah, we live in Germany. We have a dog that is named Aldi, and you've seen my whole family in the intro. I decided to start with YouTube because I always love to watch other moms on YouTube and other homemakers to get inspired and motivated and just get new ideas and get a look into other moms and other homemakers' life. Maybe on some days when you have a really hard day, just feel not as alone with the problems you may have. And that was the reason why I thought, well, I would like to start a channel on my own to maybe be an inspiration and motivation for some of you. So I hope that I can be that way for you, and I would love to have you on my channel. And if you're new here, make sure to introduce yourself in the comments below. I was not so active in my comments the last weeks as well because I just did not have the time. But I really want to try to be way more active again because I really like to get to know you and to chat with everybody.
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you, wanna see you smile? Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart?
So I actually only filmed the meal prep of this day, even though I ended up doing a little bit more the next day. But on this day I decided to not wash my blueberries I bought because I still had some washed blueberries in the fridge. But on the next day they were all gone and I washed my fresh blueberries and just things like that. So for me, that's what I wanted to say. It is not so necessary to do everything on the day you go grocery shopping because maybe you don't have the time, you don't have the energy after maybe not so easy grocery shop. Maybe you went with your kids and you're just done and don't want to spend some time in the kitchen and prep your groceries. Then that is totally fine. Just do it on the next day or even on the day after that, and it's fine as well. Especially if you go grocery shopping for a week or something like that, then it's still so helpful to have it done 1 day later or 2 days later. So here you can see I was prepping some salad dressing. I do it on my own. It's just with some plain yogurt, some mustard, some honey or agave syrup. Then I use some salt, black pepper, and some paprika powder, and that's it. And then I just stored it in the fridge, and you can absolutely use it for the next 3 or 4 days. And it makes it so much easier for me to just have a salad for lunch. I also prepped some energy bowls with oats and peanut butter and flax seeds. And yeah, they were pretty good as well, and just a good snack to grab out of the fridge.
The good times, dance until it feels alright. All night, we're all about the good vibes, all about the good vibes.
So we're already at the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Maybe it gave you some motivation and inspiration. I hope so. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This really would mean a lot to me. I would love to see you in the upcoming videos. Have a wonderful day and a good rest of the week. Yeah, see you. Bye.